everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Hot Flash Monday video. And as you guys probably know, if you watch any of my other videos, I'm having a difficult time finding foundations that we haven't already tried. So today we are going to be trying the Super Stay by Maybelline Full Coverage Powder Foundation. So this is supposed to have full coverage. We'll see, right? I have tried it a little bit and it's really light, so we'll be bronzing it up. But that's okay because sometimes these will darken up after they're on the skin for a while, which I only tested it a little bit. I didn't try it. But we are going to try and do, I thought I had some luminous primer, but it seems I gave it away. I remember when I tried it, I hated it. It was so glowy. But now, underneath a powder, it would probably be perfect, but I don't have it. So, and if I had known that I gave it away, which I'm sure that's what I did, I would have got something else, but I didn't. So anyways, we're going to try and glow it up. First, I have already moisturized my skin. I just used my CeraVe Daily Moisturizer, and I'm going to spray this Pixie Hydrating Milky Mist on my face to help hydrate it, and I got my nifty little fan here to dry it with. This is so awesome. It works so fast. So much faster than that wicker one I have. I mean, I still like that one, but not as much as this one. So see, there's a little bit of glow with that. Not enough. Oh, look, I didn't even have it on high. What is on my face right there? Also, I have to tell you, I would recommend, and I did this, shaving off all that peach fuzz before you try a powder foundation, because it does kind of accentuate that fuzz. So next, I am going to put on my primer, and I think that I'm going to use, I don't really have one that's glowy. This is mattifying. But I do have this Angel Veil one that's supposed to be, I don't think it says it's mattifying. Skin Perfecting Primer by NYX. It always, when I go to get it out though, it's like separated. That's why I'm shaking it. So I'm going to use this primer. Oh, see, it's fine because I shook it up. I also was going to use a Getacha on my T-zone. I couldn't find that either. I guess I threw it away when I got all my new equipment and built my new desks, because all I had was a little sample, but I can't imagine that I actually meant to throw it away. But it's gone, so it just wasn't meant to be, huh? Okay, now for one more little added luminosity thing to go under my primer, my powder foundation. So the one more thing I'm going to add is this Catrice Prime and Fine Dewy Glow Fixing Spray. And I'm probably going to use this underneath and on top. You have to shake this up really good because it's got sparklies in it. Alright, I didn't want to use much. Last time I used way too much. Dry this real quick. Okay, I think we have enough luminosity for the moment. Although I didn't really use that much of that spray. But that's okay, because I'm going to use it on top afterwards. So now, because we're using a powder foundation, I'm going to go in with my concealer before I do my, I'm going to use the Born This Way because it's out. I like the Born This Way, the Huda Beauty, and the Jouer all pretty much the same. So anyways, I'm just going to go in with this and do this before I add any powder. because that's one thing you do want to do, is make sure that if you're going to use any kind of creams, you need to use them before you add your powder. And I'm just going to go in with my sponge. And if you're going to use any other concealer, if you have any spots or anything, now is the time before you add the powder. I actually have some red spots, and I'm going to go in with my Catrice Liquid Camouflage. The only reason I'm using this one instead of the other one is because this one's a lot lighter and this one's more closer to my skin color. It's not that close, but it's just a little darker than the Born This Way. That's just to take a little bit of that redness out before I go in with my powder. Okay, I'm ready. And I am going to go in with, it comes with this little, did I show you the product yet? It taped itself shut again. So it comes like this, and it has a little thing under here. See, I already put it on there to see the color. And I'm going to put it on with this, and then I'm probably going to go back in with either a brush or a sponge afterwards. But as you can see, the color's really good as long as it doesn't darken up. It really matches. Actually, it's a little bit light, so it could darken up a little. But it gives you a really, really matte finish. That's why I'm going to go back in with setting spray, a Dewey setting spray, to try and re-glow it. But it's got pretty good coverage from what I can tell. It's amazing coverage, actually, considering it's a powder. It feels really nice. And as you can see, it gives full coverage. But it's very, very matte. So as you can see, it gives you really nice full coverage. I'm going to, well, I was going to go back in with a brush to get a little more coverage in certain places. But I don't really think I need to. It seems really good. Except dry. It's very dry. And the brush will get it in the places that you can't get as well when you're as that little sponge. Like the edges. Let's just go in and contour my nose first. I'm going to use this CoverGirl Vitalist in Buff Beige to contour my nose. This is why I usually go off camera to do this, because there's a lot of steps and it takes a lot of time and it makes my videos too long. So we'll just do part of it. And I'm going to use the same thing. And I'm going to contour, hollow out my cheeks a little. Go up here just a little into my temples. And then I'm going to go in with my Bare Minerals Invisible bronzer. And just add a little more color. Bronze all over. This is so forgiving that you can just really go to town. Yeah, I do feel like this color might be a little bit light for me, but hopefully by the time I get done adding all these other things, it'll be fine. So now I'm going to go in with my Tea Rose Milani blush. I haven't used this in forever. I mean, I haven't even hardly wore the flower down. I'm thinking it's because it's paler than I want it to be. But too late now, right? I mean, I may go in with something a little darker. I think I will. I can't even hardly see that. So let's just jump over here. What's this? This is Milani also. We'll throw this on top of it. This is Berry Amore, the baked from Milani. And I'll just use the same brush and just see if we can get a little more color out of this. That's better, I think. Now we're going to go in with our new Wet n Wild highlighter. Actually, let's just go like this. This is the Zodiac collection, the powdered. And this is Written in the Stars. That's the name of this color. We're just going to go in with this highlighter. Glow this right up. Going to put some on my finger. Wow. It's so pretty. Okay, now I'm going to go off camera and finish my makeup and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. This is the final look for our Stay Matte Powder Foundation. I think it did a great job and it feels so good. It feels like you're not wearing makeup. It's awesome to have a powder because it's a lot lighter than liquid foundations or cream foundations. They're a lot heavier. This stuff, I guess it does still sink into lines a little bit. I think that's because I just sprayed it to make it dewy. So I think probably after you spray it, you should go in with like a little puff or something, or even your sponge, and just press it out again. It's only going in my absolute worst spots for wrinkles, which is right here on me. Anyways, I still give it a thumbs up. I think it looks great. I really do. And it feels so good. It feels so lightweight. It's still kind of sticky, but this is the trick to make it look glowy. That's what this is. It's glowy. Although, like I said, it's still sticky. But I just did it, so hopefully it'll settle down. Anyways, I'm giving it a thumbs up. It amazed me because when I first got it home, remember when I put it on my hand? When I brought it home, I was thinking, this is not going to get it. It is just, I couldn't even see it on my hand. In fact, I was going to go to town today and get something else, even though I didn't know what, and I didn't have time, and I didn't want to go to town again, which is why I came in here and put some on my face, and I'm like, ooh, that's got a lot better coverage than I thought. So then I just washed that off and made the video. So anyways, I'm giving it a thumbs up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah!